Hello again to everybody. In the today video I will talk about the blood type. Now, so to speak, what common people don't know about blood. Okay, blood type. So we'll start to read what definition we find. So a blood type, also called a blood group, is a classification of blood based on the presence and absence of antibodies. An antibody, also known as an immunoglobulin, is a large Y-shaped protein produced mainly by plasma cells that is used by the immune system to neutralize pathogens such as pathogenic bacteria and viruses, and inherited antigenic substances on the surface of the red blood cells. So we'll wait to have the definition. In immunology, antigens are substances specifically bound by antibodies or T lymphocyte antigen receptors. They are substances that stimulate production of or are recognized by antibodies. Okay. Now, even we have still here an example about what I will try to explain. We'll see how I joined that people can easily, so to speak, understand. Now, people think that bloods are different, and it is like that, but bloods are classified in haplogroups. Okay, so the original, so to speak, blood we will call the haplogroup. This type of blood have no type group, so I put in there the letter H. Okay. Now, the other type is the group AB. In my video that I made time ago and then I deleted it, so I explained that this type of group was not a type of group. This effectively it's a protein, or from our body point of view, our body, not mind, our body point of view, it's a virus, a toxic substance, a protein, or an aroma. Okay. Now, this type of aroma, so to speak, is an A and B aroma. Okay, it's made by two, A and B. When those two types so they meet each other, okay, that was a reaction. Many of the H died, okay, because of toxicity or maybe of, I don't know, the allergic reaction, okay, but the others survived. This led to the formation of two types of blood, A and B. Now, why there are called, take an example, the group A, okay? Why the group of blood A is an A group? Because this fellow, okay, win against the B aroma. So in his blood there is the presence of the A aroma, but bind on his outside have, you know, the antibody. So I hope that you understand it now. So have a little hand, and in this little hand have a little letter B. Okay, with this letter B he recognizes, okay, the B part on this entire thing, and this little hand will kill the B, so will become A, okay, or A. Now the same thing happened with those who survived, winning against the A. They have a little hand outside, a little hand, an antigen, so to speak, that is responsible to kill the A part, so will survive the B part. Okay. Now, in the case that, so let's explain further. So from these two types of blood, A and B, derived all the groups of the blood types that we have today. The newest one, okay, it's the O blood. Okay. Now O blood are two types. Okay. This is the perfect O blood. Okay. It's no name in here because there was no name in here, but he have both antigens present like two hands. Okay, those two will kill I have a lapsus. We'll put at sleep the A and B, so to speak, aromas, because are the antigens, those who will deplete, so to speak, or put in silence the AB, and will protect the cell blood by nullifying the inside. Inside of the cell will not have either I or either B. Okay, because these two fellows give both hands. One give the A, one give the B. So inside there is none, because B kill this B and A kill this A, and this new fellow have none of this type. Okay, have nothing in here, but he have the presence of the antigens. Now, because in my video that I made time ago, I consider this AB stuff aroma or substance, okay, I consider it like a virus, a pathogen. Indeed, in the description on the Wikipedia we find that this the presence or absence of these antibodies are protein produced by plasma to neutralize pathogens. Okay. So I considered this AB like a virus. Now we all know that viruses mutate, and when viruses lose their war, okay, they became losers, they mutate or change. So this did also this virus. Okay, so there exists this type of blood. There is considered the O or the zero blood, okay, that have the both AB, because this virus attacked and won against the new one. Okay, so even they said that there's nothing in there, this virus mutate, so there is a presence in there. Here there is nothing. there is, it's clear, it's pure, okay? But here we have, so to speak, kind of a presence, okay? So now this type, there are many blood types, because there are many substances and aromas that we currently introduce in our lives. So this, by meaning of time and generation, okay, will change the DNA. So I will try to explain here. Okay, a complete blood type would describe a full set of 30 substances on the surface of red blood cells, and an individual's blood type is one of many possible combinations of blood group antigens. Okay, across of the 29 blood group system, over 340 different blood group antigens, not blood group types, antigens, proteins, okay, have been found. Almost always an individual has the same blood group for life, but very rarely an individual's blood type changes through addition or suppression of an antigen in infection, malignancy, or autoimmune disease. So what I tried to explain, and we'll see here that I said the same thing, but I explained to you in a better understanding. Okay, so the group A have a presence in his blood of the virus, so to speak. Okay, his antibodies in the blood or in the fluid, the transparent fluid, are present, this anti-B. So this anti-B, okay, will dismantle or will fight the B blood, okay? And antigens, these are antibodies that is naturally formed in the body after you have been exposed to illness, okay? Instead, antigens are the result, okay, of infection, okay? That now it's not anymore an infection, but as I told you, antigens, they are substances that stimulate production of or are recognized by antibodies. So they have a flag and they say, please recognize me. So this blood type will be the type A, okay? And the same is happening with the B type blood. Instead, group A have no antibodies in plasma. This blood never fought the fight, okay? He only have the flags to be recognized by the body. Sorry. So the winner is the group 0 that have both antibodies. He fought both battles, okay, and have no flags, because there is no presence of the aroma or the substance in the blood cells, okay? Now, that is very difficult to talk about in only one video of 15 minutes for me, also about the RH. So I will make another video later about the RH. So anyway, this should be the original blood, but now we have a lot of bloods, okay? And more we expose ourselves to aromas, spices, and other stuff, more blood types will develop, okay? So bye bye.